Hey guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, we are going to explore the fountain show and dine at the new Atlantis the Royal. The show is a spectacular one, so be ready to be amazed. But before we start, do not forget to subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications for new uploads. More awesome contents like this. So cool. Estiatorio Milo's in Dubai is a high-end Greek seafood restaurant located at Atlantis the Royal on Palm Jumeirah. And tonight I'm going to show you what it looks like to be dining here. Welcome to Milo's. Estiatorio Milo's is a renowned restaurant brand founded by Kostas Spiliadis in Montreal in 1979. The Dubai branch offers stunning views of the Arabian Gulf and the Atlantis the Royal's Skyblaze fountain. This is the Skyblaze Fountain Show at Atlantis the Royal in Dubai. This spectacular display combines fire and water, creating a mesmerizing experience that's unlike anything else in the Middle East. About the Skyblaze Fountain Show. Fire and water. The show features a stunning display of fire-breathing installations, with giant walls of fire and water flowing together. The menu features an array of fresh seafood, including Greek wild oysters, caviar, langoustine, and lobster. Dishes are prepared in various ways, from whole grilled and salt-baked to raw and cured. The fun part of this experience is you get to pick your own fish and the chef will prepare it however you fancy it. For you. The fountain show and the view of the Atlantis the Royal is truly a beauty to see. We get to watch the fountain show while the food is being served, truly a gem for fine dining. I highly recommend coming here for dinner and the amazing experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you join me on my next video, and do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications bell button for new video updates.